Let us guide you through the process of installing Sign.UseWise on your domain. Go to Google Workspace Marketplace and log in with your super admin account. In the search bar, type in Sign.UseWise and select the application. Select Domain Install to start the process of installation. Next, the window with scopes will open. After you read them, make sure you tick the field next to I agree to the application's terms of service, and then click Allow. The following window shows you how to access Sign.UseWise from Google Workspace. Select Complete Additional Setup now. You need to log into Sign.UseWise to start the initialization of your account. After the first login, there will be a notification in the upper bar that the setup is in progress. Depending on the number of users, it may take few minutes until the setup is finished. Once the directory is synchronized with Sign.UseWise, you can preview your users, groups, organizational units and domains and start using the app. Contact us if you need any additional help or support. Subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from UseWise.